Hello, today let's turn down and see what's inside this Philips Cineos HTS 9800W6.1 surround home cinema system with 800 watt total power. This system comes around from 2006 and is equipped with a DVD player, 2 center channel speakers, 4 towers and 1 subwoofer. Remote control is with backlight. In 2006, Watt Hi-Fi gave this system a maximum rating of 5 stars. New this system cost around $800 back then. Nowadays it will be over $1,000. A lot of stuff, cables, but back then it was for real. See the video description for more specs. Now let's have some background music and take apart this system. If you have any comments on what you see, feel free to post them below this video.
So how do I feel the ground? I wear my heart, you wear a crown. Wish I wasn't late to know. Stars don't shine when there's only satellites. I feel like hell and you're in paradise. I'm so glad and yet I'm not. I was too blind to know. I fell harder than I thought when I fell for a demon. Turn up. You made it worse. Light up the match and burn some more. I see the angel in his I'm so glad, and yet I'm not. I was too blind to know. I fell harder than I thought when I fell for a demon. So how do I feel the ground? I wear my heart, you wear a crown. Wish I wasn't late to know. Stars don't shine when there's only sun.